Welcome to Holiday Packing English Comprehension Exercise. Now, this particular comprehension exercise is in the format of a script, whereby you'll see the names of the characters and what they're saying right next door. So let's start reading this together. So Thea is a 6-year-old. She's going on holiday to St. Ives with her mum and Uncle Sam. Mum is busy getting the suitcases out of the loft ready to pack. Uncle Sam is off to work. Uncle Sam says, "I'm off to work now. If you two girls get all the packing done today, we will be able to make an early start in the morning." Thea and Mum just say bye. Thea says, "I can pack my own suitcase, Mum." Mum says, "Only if you are sensible and think carefully about everything you will need to take with you for a week. Here, take the smallest suitcase and see how you get on." Thea wheels the smallest suitcase into her bedroom and closes the door. She looks around her room at all her things and wonders which are the sensible things to take. Thea says, "Well, first of all, there is Pop the monkey. I couldn't possibly think of going anywhere without him." Thea places Pop the monkey in the case. She looks around her room to see what else is needed. Thea says, "I love making things with Lego, such as little cars and sitting rooms for the Lego people and shops and gardens and all the sorts of things. I can't possibly go a week without making something from Lego." Thea places the Lego in the case. Thea says, I'd also better put in my box of crayons and coloring books, my toy drum and drumsticks, and the Play-Doh." Thea folds up the toy pushchair and squeezes that into the top of the case. Thea says, "Little Ted is needed to ride in the buggy. The doll's tea set is needed because Pop the monkey and Little Ted will get hungry on holiday and will need feeding." Thea opens her wardrobe and turns her attention to clothes. Thea says, "I think I will take my pretty pink fairy dressing up clothes." Thea takes the outfit off the hanger, folds it carefully and places it inside the suitcase. After much pushing and pulling, she manages to zip up the lid of the suitcase. Thea says, "Finish packing, Mum." And Mum says, "Good girl. That was quick. Did you remember to pack a warm sweater in case it gets cold and enough socks for every day of the week?" There we go. We leave that on a cliffhanger, and I wonder what Thea does after that. So have a read of this one more time and answer the following up questions that you have, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Good luck.